If you'd like to take long scrolling screenshots in your laptop, here's how to do it. So let's use this website for example, and you can see if we scroll down, there are other information for this site. It's a long page site. So there are two options to do this. We're currently using the Edge browser, and you could go over to the three dots right here at the top right corner, click on it, and then we're going to scroll to look for screenshot. You can also see the shortcut Control, Shift, and S. So you can use this option, or you can simply follow the steps, click on screenshot, and then you have capture area, capture screen area, and capture full page. So if you click and capture this area, it's going to capture an area which you'll be selecting. If you say capture screen area, it's going to capture what the screen can see right now. And then if you choose capture full page, it's going to capture the entirety of this particular web page. So if we click on capture full page, you can see that this is how it looks like. So this is like a preview, which it has done already. And then you can come over here, click on the save icon, and there you can see it. We're going to click open file, and there you can see it. Of course, we're going to zoom in, and then this is the full page of the site which we're considering. Now, there is another option. The other option is to click in an empty area on any website, right click on it. Then you're going to click on inspect. Then you're going to make sure to toggle device emulation, or you can use Ctrl-Shift-M. So once you click on it, this will pop up. And then you can see right here, the three dots, click on it because this is for more options. Then you have capture full size screenshot, and there you have it. If we click on open again, you see it for the second time, the image which we wanted from the site, the full screenshot of this web page.